Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix it when Epic Games tells you that LEGO Fortnite has missing files, so that Epic Games can't launch LEGO Fortnite. Now it's a very easy process and I'm going to get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up Epic Games. Now from there you go to your library, and from here you locate the game LEGO Fortnite. As you can see, it's right here. Now what we will do next is right click it and head down to the manage button. Now in the manage button this window will open up, and here we can verify the files of the game. So simply press verify, and here it will start to be verifying the game's files of LEGO Fortnite to check if all the files are there and that there are not missing files. Because if so, and the game does see that there aren't the files needed, it will actually re-download the files that are missing and you're good to go. Now if this didn't fix your issue, what you could also do, sometimes the update didn't went through. Now what you can do is right click it again, from there cancel the installation, and here we can right click it again. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And from there right click it and go to manage, and here make sure that the auto update of Fortnite is actually available. So simply go to Fortnite, it isn't in the LEGO version, so go to manage, and here make sure that the auto update of Fortnite is running so that you still have the latest version. Now sometimes it happens that your computer is too crowded of files, so that it's too full. So what you can do then is go to File Explorer and check out if your files are too much. So let's say this PC is full and if you don't have any space on your drive. Now if that isn't the case, what you could also do as a last step method is simply right clicking it and from here uninstalling the game. Now this will actually uninstall the game, and from there we'll reinstall it. Go to the search bar and type in LEGO Fortnite, and then you get the latest version which has all the files updated. Now if you still had any questions or if this tutorials helped you, please leave it in the comments down below and I will try to help you. If this tutorials helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me a lot. Thanks for watching.